Welcome to Foundry Court, which is just a short 2-minute walk from the Students' Union and a 10-minute walk from the city centre, which is home to the UK's biggest bus station and the UK's first ever KFC. At reception we have a dedicated on-site team who are here to assist you throughout your stay. Reception is manned from 7 AM until 9 PM Monday to Friday, and also offer a parcel collection service. Each room comes with its own ensuite, and there's ample storage with floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, underbed storage, a large desk, and free Wi-Fi is included. This is one of Foundry Court's ensuite bedrooms. It has floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, underbed storage, and a large desk, and free Wi-Fi is also included. Each communal kitchen has its own seating area, breakfast bar, and kitchen with ample storage. The common room is great for meeting with friends and making memories. The resident wardens hold regular events from pool tournaments, table tennis tournaments, movie nights and quiz nights.